and predicate makes a complete sentence. Subject who is spoken in the sentence, and what is spoken all about the subject, it is predicate. Rahul is the real subject of this sentence. Enlargement with his friends. Plays football every day. Total predicate. Who is subject? What is enlargement?
With his friends. Predicate enlargement?
Subject Rahul. Enlargement with his friends. And predicate, what is told about Rahul? Plays football every day. What is told about Rahul? What is told about Rahul? It is predicate. So predicate tells us about the subject. Which one is the subject?
Rahul.
And what is told about subject? This is predicate. This is subject Rahul. In a sentence we have enlargement. Whenever we write all about the subject as it is predicate, at the same time when we give attribute, when subject is attributed, it is enlargement of the subject. The subject enlargement is here with his friends.
So the Rahul with his friends is the subject.
Total part is subject.
So then the
The
Rahul
real word, the real subject word, it is Rahul. Subject word Rahul, but the total part from Rahul to friends, it is subject. Subject and predicate, there are two parts of this sentence. In this way, you can rearrange all the words in your own way, but they will give you different functions. What are the functions? The function one, it is statement. When you are arranging the words, when the subject will come first, it will give you a statement. This statement will give you assertive sentence or
Declarative.
declarative sentence. When you will use the verb at first, it will make a question. And what will be the ending of a question?
Question mark.
That is interrogative sentence. At the same time, you can frame an interrogative sentence with the help of one WH word. Which one is the WH word? Who, which, what, when, where, how, why. All these are 7 words. They are interrogative to form interrogative sentences. At the same time, you can arrange the words without subject. When there will be no subject, the sentence will be meaningless. No, it is meaningful. But it may be imperative sentence. Imperative sentence does not take subject. The subject is understood. Give one example. Subject is understood or it may be silent. Devjit.
Go.
Go. Who will go?
You.
You will go. Go. Who will go? You will go. Eat. That. Who will eat?
You.
You. Another example.
Sit there.
Sit there. Who will sit?
You.
But everywhere you are using only you as your subject. Is there any other subject in your imperative sentence? Who will stand up? You will stand up. Same sentence. But is there any other sentence where you will find another subject except you? Yes, there is sentence. Thank you. Who will thank you? I thank you. So I is the subject there.
Welcome.
Welcome. That you are welcome. I welcome you. I is the subject. Yeah. And there is one common question. It may be a part, it may be a joke. Whenever you are playing good time with your friends, you can crack a joke with the help of where can I use be verb is with I. I, this pronoun, it takes am, but if you use is, it is also a sentence. How is it possible? I is a pronoun.
Oh.
Look here, you cannot I am a pronoun. You write I is a pronoun. Here is subject I. It is only the word. It is not the pronoun that I am a pronoun. I am a good student. But here you can use I is a pronoun. Only this sentence where you can use is as
After
the
an I.
verb of the pronoun I. Next, there will be another arrangement of these words where you will get optative sentence. How can you form an optative sentence?
By making a wish.
Wish, very good. Wish or prayer. Example.
May God bless you.
Next.
God bless you.
Say have a nice
Have a nice day. Next.
Have a nice year.
Next. May God bless you. Have a nice day. Another.
If you have a student.
Long live.
May you long live. Very good. Long live our king.
Long live.
Siddharth. Siddharth is our king. So may our king long live. After this, we will go to the last sentence. There you will find only your feelings. Your feelings will be expressed in this kind of sentences. What is the sentence? Give example.
Wow. We
have won the match. Bravo, you have done well.
So how beautiful the sky is looking.
How beautiful the sky is. Every time you are using a note of exclamation at the end of this sentence. What kind of sentence is it? And how can you end your sentence when there will be a question? Question mark. All these are the functions of sentences, and the functions of sentence will define their kind. At the same time, you have learned subject and predicate. To form a good sentence, a perfect sentence, you will use subject, verb, and object. S+V+O. Give one example, Siddharth.
What?
Give one. S+V+O. This is the order of subject, verb, and object. That will be the perfect sentence. Give one example of this order in your own sentence.
Anna is swimming with her friends in the swimming pool.
Once again.
Anna with her friends is swimming in the swimming pool.
Where is the subject?
The subject is Anna and her friends.
Very good. Where is the subject word? Subject word only Anna.
Yes.
And with his friends, it is enlargement.
Sir, her.
Yes. In this way, you will frame sentences of your own, and remember to make a complete sentence, perfect sentence. You can use a pronoun. Whenever you are using a pronoun at the beginning of your sentence, the sentence becomes less important. So it is expected you will be framing your sentences with the help of a noun. If I ask you to frame a sentence with the sun, what will be the perfect sentence? The sun is what? There is no object.
The sun shines brightly.
There is no object.
The sun is in the sky.
The sun gives us heat, light. The sun gives us light. That will be light will be the object. Write it. Everybody write it. The sun gives us light. The The sun gives us light. Here sun is the subject, gives verb, it is transitive verb, and light, it is object. S+V+O. Below it write S+V+O, S+V+O, subject plus verb plus object. And write it transitive verb. If the verb takes one object, it is transitive verb. If the verb takes no object, it is intransitive verb. If the verb takes no object at the same time without complement, it will be incomplete. What kind of verb is it? VIP. Very good. Give one example. So,
I am happy.
I am happy. Another example.
She seemed
No.
The policeman appears angry.
The policeman appears angry. It is correct example of VIP because angry it is compliment. Happy it is also compliment. The sentence is the sky seems cloudy. The sky is it transitive or it is VIP? Which one?
Can I repeat the question?
The sky appears cloudy.
VIP.
Very good.
Because
Everybody, thank you.
cloudy-
Clap your hand. Go ahead.